Now we have breaking updates coming in. The BRS working president KT Ramarao has responded to the controversy and has vowed to do away with the changes made under the Congress government and also rename the institutions named after the Gandhis, including the Hyderabad airport, once they come to power.
You can change government, सरकार बदल सकते हैं, but माँ नहीं बदलना चाहिए, माँ नहीं बदलना चाहिए, माता नहीं बदलना चाहिए. आज ये बेवकूफ वाली जो हरकत कांग्रेस की गवर्नमेंट कर रही है, we will oppose it tooth and nail because Telangana Talli as Telangana Mata is not something that was created out of political compulsion or political need. हमने पिछले 10 साल में कोई चीज चेंज करने की कोशिश नहीं की जो कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट में भी नाम लगाया गया. पर आज मैं आपसे वादा करता हूं 4 साल बाद जब हमारी गवर्नमेंट आएगी तो जरूर राजीव गांधी इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट से लेके जो भी इंदिरा गांधी जी के नाम पे और राजीव गांधी जी के नाम पे इंस्टीट्यूशन है, सारे ही चीज तेलंगाना के जो स्टॉलवर्ड्स हैं उनके नाम पे हम बदल देंगे.
So that was a big claim that was made by KTR. The Congress government has meanwhile defended the changes in the design, saying the design which was prepared during KCR's time had gold jewelry, but the new design is trying to represent the poor village woman from the state of Telangana.
ये तेलंगाना वाले गांव में कैसा रहता वो अब बहुत बड़ा अच्छा तरीके से गांव में कैसा लेडीज रहते उसका दर जैसा दोरा फैमिली बोलते केसीआर को डायमंड का नेकलेस डायमंड ऐसा ऐसा वो करोड़ों का आदमी वो रिच पीपुल है ना. हम गरीब लेडी का लगाया तेलंगाना तली गरीब लेडी कैसा रहते वैसा बनाया मेरा डिपार्टमेंट से बनाया वो R&B का.
Let's go across to my colleague Shomit joining us on the broadcast with the details of the entire controversy. Shomit, we can see the changes that have been made to the statue in just about 2 hours from now. The statue is also going to be unveiled officially by the Telangana Chief Minister. Take us through what the controversy is really all about.
Well, Pratibha, after Rajiv Gandhi statue controversy, because at that time when the Congress government has stated that they'll be erecting Rajiv Gandhi statue, after that immediately BRS has attacked them, stating that that place was meant to be for the Telangana Talli statue. However, later Revanth Reddy stated that he will be, installing the Telangana Talli statue inside the Secretariat premises, and that work has been completed. The payment of the road and also the construction of the wall, all of this, and also construction of the statue has been completed. Today at 6:05 p.m. The Congress government will be unveiling the statue, and in between this time, after the Rajiv Gandhi controversy erupted, and before the unveiling of the statue, there was the redesigning of this model was done, and after that massive controversy erupted because BJP and BRS, both of them took heavily on Congress party and stated that they are doing it for the political purposes, because earlier BRS has stated that KTR has exclusively spoken to Times Now. He said that out of context of the politics they have made this design, and whenever we speak about Bharat Mata or even Telugu Talli, Telugu Mata or Kannada Ambe or Tamil Thais, then we will be seeing mothers as goddesses, and that jewelry and crown, that richness should be seen, and then we with devotion we will bow in front of them, and that should be there. But saree's color has been changed, jewelry has been removed, crown has been removed, and also Bathukamma has been removed. Bathukamma is a tradition.
All right, so big controversy brewing. Shomit, we'll have to leave it at that. My sincere apologies. Thank